Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to do lip contour, how I make my lips look fuller and sexier and I don't know, just the way I do my lips. I love this routine. I love this technique. I switched from the previous one and this is just my go-to routine. I'm going to be using two products. You can go with absolutely different colors, different lipsticks. I'm going to be doing today the combination of colors, just a lip pencil, any lip pencil, and any lipstick. I will be using soft pink color, but the trick about this routine is that your lips have to be wet. In case you want to outline your lips first and then add a little bit of color, then my recommendation is to go to some lip balm. So your lips have to be wet before you do lip contour. This is crucial, this is important, and that is something that I've been doing for a long period of time, and every single time this turns out the best way ever. And another thing to keep in mind that when you put on some lipstick, you can see the guidelines of your lips. That is the main reason why your contour is going to be much better. I see a lot of YouTubers, a lot of makeup gurus, beauty gurus showing you this routine when they outlining their lips first and then they fill them in. I will tell you that lots of this vloggers, they will still go over with the same contour when they're done with their lipsticks. So what I do, I'm going to use a little bit of my color and make sure that your color is a little bit wet when you do this routine. And just doing my regular routine. And while my lips are wet, I'm going with a little bit different pencil over. Look at this, you're shaping your lips. The first advantage is that the lip pencil is going smoother. There are not going to be any harsh lines, any harsh pencil leftovers. It's going to be really smooth because of your lipstick, and look at that. Really pretty, really beautiful lips. This is the routine that I've been doing non-stop for 6 months, I'd say, and it completely changed my life, and I hope it's going to change your life as well, because it's just the easiest routine and it's done within, I don't know, like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Okay guys, that was a small tutorial from me, like a small little tip from me that I wanted to share in my channel and show you how I do my lip contour. I hope I'm going to see you in my next video. That's going to be uploaded really soon. Till my next time, bye bye.